Hey, what's up, traders? So I've decided that every week or nearly every 2 weeks, I'll be posting my trades off of a week and just show you exactly what I was looking at and what I traded. Okay, you notice that I don't post as much on my trading view no more or on my channels. That's simply due to paying customers. It's not fair if I post free stuff and make people pay for it. It just doesn't make no sense, right? Okay, so I don't post as much on my trading view no more, but this is the content that's happening behind the scenes. So gold, as you can see here, before the market opened on the 7th of June at just 7 p.m. is when I print screen this. Okay, I wanted this level to hold and then we could maybe head up and create a UTAD. Okay, and these are the type of things I teach within the course and within our live sessions. So check out the website down below. If you actually want to come into the sessions, into the live sessions, I do this 2 times a week, which is on a Monday and a Thursday at 7 p.m. GMT. So feel free to join into these sessions. Okay, so before market opens, wanted this level to hold, and then we head up clearing these highs and creating a UTAD. Okay, also meeting the 1800 quarter point. Okay, so let's see how this played out. Okay, see that these are the lows that I was looking at prior. Okay, so it held, and then we had a target area for when price came back down into here. It didn't quite come into our entry zone quite perfectly, but we had to adapt. We went into the smaller time frames and we executed. The main target was this order block around here, and then we knew this would either be a rejection or it'll come back. It'll be a rejection or a break above, where we can now target this as a kind of a remorse candle. Okay, so it did happen, traded right through it. So straight away we knew we'll be now using this as our remorse area, fill in IPA, and then we'll be heading off. It came in quite perfectly off this actually. Okay, quite perfectly. I remember people were saying, "Oh, it's come down to an area we should buy it now." I said, "No, just be patient. Just be patient." Okay, because it hasn't come right down into our remorse area slash IPA quite yet. So we get this reaction, boom. The next day, because people was getting happy over here, but the next day, this was what happened. Boom, we get an entry right there. Obviously, from here, we're still holding our trades, targeting these highs over here. So you can see that was a nice 590 pip trade. And now this is where we're floating around. So when the market opens, this level is still holding. We'll be seeing how we can now take advantage of this, maybe go on a smaller time frame. Okay, and then we'll see how we can take advantage of this. I already know what I'm looking for. But again, I'm not gonna come in here to start analyzing charts. It's just not fair for the people that's actually paying for this. Okay, so that's gold. That was a nice trade. Okay, so for the week, we met our target. Okay, 590 pips, not bad. Okay, so we'll see what happens next when the market opens. I already got my idea, but again, that's for membership members in our group. Okay, so let's look at CAD JPY, which is the next one I was looking at. Okay, so I had 3 potential entry points here. We had the IPA above, had this IPA here, and then 50%, and then we had a remorse candle right there as well. So we're always looking in and around this area. Okay, so let's go to CAD JPY. Where are we? So we need to go to the daily chart. Again, this is another one that narrowly missed to where I wanted it to come to. Okay, I was looking at the remorse area over here, but didn't take advantage of it. I wanted it to come right into this IPA zone and then maybe look for sales at 50%, but it didn't play exactly how I wanted it to, and came off the remorse area, which is slightly a riskier trade, but we move. Okay, so again, missed the entry, but as soon as I saw it, then we still caught it from exactly the same kind of area. Okay, we didn't miss it. Okay, so missed our entry. I wanted it to come into this area, but we do the same thing over and over again, right? So just caught a mitigation entry and then just sold off. No drawdown whatsoever. Okay, so the short position was always aiming for down below. So if we was risking this stop loss just below, so risking maybe 20 pips, and then the gain from that, as you can see here, boom, meets our entry requirements is 300 and just let's just say 340 pips. So the risk to reward ratio on this was crazy. Okay, absolutely crazy. 20 pip risk, 340 pip gain. Okay, and yeah, we'll see how market reacts when the market actually opens, but it's come down to a crucial level right here, and I was wondering if we could keep going lower. Okay, just wondering if we could keep going lower, but this is the before. As you can see here, again, print screens on the 4th of June. Okay, so was waiting for this area and then seeing if we could take price all the way down here. Okay, some levels down there that's very interesting. So we'll see if that could play out. But yeah, this is how CAD JPY played out. Okay, and then we'll see if we can actually head down into these areas there. But still got some interest above. Okay, so these are the trades of the week. And then moving into the week, I'm just seeing how they play out, and also looking at GJ and GU. GJ and GU have been playing out beautifully. We caught the buy from here, well, a couple of weeks ago, and then it's finally done what it needs to do. Okay, so this is one I actually did post on my trading view. I don't post much, but this is actually one I did post on there. Okay, so let's wait for this to load up. Okay, so we saw this our place of interest right here, 50% of that is what I was looking at, and also just on a lower time frame in H4. Okay, so I was looking at this and this, okay. On my illustration, I was only looking at this, however. Okay, but we was already ready for the top of that candle to be played. Okay, we just hit play on that, and then boom, there we go. Nice trade. Okay, posted on May the 17th. Wow. Okay, so nearly a month ago. So this is what's been happening over that time. Okay, I didn't realize it's been nearly a month, but yeah. So that's always looking at for this week and last week and over the last couple of weeks. So yeah, we'll see how the next trades play out over the next couple of weeks, and then again I'll be posting one of these videos. But yeah, until next time, take care, safe trading, and see you in the next side.